Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can deploy our project into one of the different servers. Like here we go. You can see this is the one exchange value which is a Pojo class, which is nothing but we are using into our controller class as a response, or we can say response body. We are just responding with this structure, like it should have one id, it should have one form like from and to, and the conversion multiple, and the port number also we are mentioning over here. So what actually we are doing here, we have this get mapping, and we have provided this particular endpoint URL which is having the USD. Like suppose we are converting the currency from the USD to INR, so we can provide it through from to. Right now currently I'm just hard coded that value, like this exchange value, because this particular control sorry this Pojo class has the constructor. Through that constructor I'm setting up these hard coded value as of now, like the id and the from. That two from is nothing but whatever the value I'm going to provide over there, like USD, INR, whatever, because currently I'm using this hard coded value as a response. So I just wanted to show you how the port number also we can add it, and that we can show it into the browser as a response. Okay, that's action value. That's why I've added one more uh, data member, which is nothing but private int port. Now this port, private int port, we need to set that value, and already we have used this setter and getter. All of these are there for this particular port. Okay, so let me go back here, and exchange value, as of now we have set it these value only. Either we can use this particular thing to be set into the constructor itself, but I'm just showing it to the separate uh, way to how we can set it. So exchange value set port integer dot percent, and then whatever the value we are getting from the local server port. So currently we are not getting any value. If we can see this local server port, so local server port, this is the property file name, right? Let me show you that one. So here we go, this is the property which we will be going to set into this action value. So right now let me run it for you, and let me show you the run configuration first. So currency exchange, this is nothing but the project has been selected and the main class also selected. There is no argument as of now, right? Let me run and see. Oh, sorry, close it. First of all, close, cancel, and rerun this particular currency exchange application. Let me show you. So which port it will going to be deployed. So one more thing I need to show over here in the application dot properties. As of now I have set it the server dot port 8000. So this also will be deployed into the port of 8000. Tomcat server started port number is this one. Okay, let me go back here into the browser. Okay, let me do the browser first. Here we go, like localhost and localhost colon 8000, which is the port number, right? Let me enter it here. I'm getting what? I'm getting 8000, right? Because the value which is setted and coming from where? Coming from the application properties. Now I want to override this value. How I can override this value? I can override this value with the help of run configuration. Let me cancel this first, and I'll go to the run configuration. Let's see, this is the 8000 port. Let me give you the name 8000 over here, and I'll change to this as port 8000, right? Hyphen means nothing but like minus d server dot port equal to 8000. So this will be override, but already we have the value as a 8000. Let me apply and run it again. So how we can run the multiple deployment at the same time? Here we go. You can see this is coming 8000. It is running currently into the 8000 port, but you can't understand is it overridden or not. Let me go back and run it again. Let me do one thing. I'll go to the run configuration and let me create the duplicate, and here we go. Let me change to 8001. This is the another port which is I am going to run this particular project. As this value is 8000, let me change to 8001. Apply and run. Just run it. If you are using the same port, then it won't allow to be deploy that particular changes into the server. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, let's see. This is the 8001. The Tomcat is started on the 8001. In the same machine, if you can see, this is the blue display selected console. Here we go. 8001 and 8000, both are the server deployment is happened in the same machine. Let me go back to the browser, and here we go. Here we are running. This is the one. Let me set this to 8001. Let me run. Oh wow, it's coming. The port number which is I've set it, it's coming from here as well. So you can get the values. Both the server is up and running, means your application is running into the two different deployments, and you can able to access these two deployment at the same time without having uh, uh, take down the other another server. So this is the video for you to how you can run one application into multiple deployments. Thank you very much.